Our news team traveled on the Keetmanshoop Arwap gravel road to capture the extent of the road damages. Some sections of this road are washed away by the flash floods caused by the heavy rains. On Sunday, a farmer also had to come to the rescue of soldiers when a Land Cruiser in which they were traveling in on the Said Road was swept away by strong currents of the Ope River. A farmer, Gerardus Nel, recounted how he and his family threw a lifeline to the stranded soldiers trapped on the roof of the vehicle. They walked to safety holding onto a rope used by the family to rescue them. At Keetmanshoop, the heavy rains accompanied by strong winds ripped off the roof of a house and toppled pillars. A resident who leased the house shared the harrowing experience when the rain caused significant damages to the house.
Ek het in my kamer gesit, my broer en my dogter en my ma was in die sitkamer gewees. Maar die slag wat ek gehoor het my laat skrik en so het ek uit die kamer uit kom hol, maar met die uitkom toe die eerste plafon al begin geval waarvan my broer my kom gesê het van die plafon. En so het my so aan nog begin reën en so die plafon stukkie vir stukkie deurgaan, maar met die dak se val of se wegneem het ek glad niks gehoor nie.
Lukman Klute, NBC News, Keetmanshoop.